Tired of showing website pages that are out of date or just not quite ready for prime time? Today, I'll show you how to quickly disable a page on your Real Geeks website, keeping it tucked away until you're ready to unleash it on the world. First, log into your Real Geeks dashboard, navigate to the website section, and then click on the Pages option. This will take you to the list of all the pages currently on your website. Here, you'll see a list of all your website pages. Find the page you want to disable for this example. We'll use our Winter Home Buying Guide page. Click on the title of the page or the Edit button next to it to open the page settings. Inside the page settings, look for the Visible option. This is usually a toggle switch or a checkbox by default. It will be enabled, meaning your page is live on your website. To disable the page, simply toggle this switch to the off position. It should turn gray. Disabling it removes it from public view. Once the Visible option is disabled, scroll to the bottom of the page and click the Save button to save your changes. It's crucial to save so the changes can take effect. Now, if you go to your website and check the navigation menu, or try to access the page directly using its URL, you will find that the Winter Home Buying Guide is no longer accessible. Your page is now disabled. To re-enable the page in the future, simply return to the Pages section in your Real Geeks dashboard, locate the disabled page, and toggle the Visible option back to the on position, and click Save. That's all there is to it. Now you can easily manage your website content and keep things fresh and relevant. Don't forget to subscribe for more Real Geeks tips and tricks.